Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix PayPal login issues, verification, and lock problems step by step clearly. Open the official PayPal app or type PayPal.com directly into your browser address bar. Check that the web address is correct and avoid clicking login links from emails or ads. Turn off any VPN or proxy temporarily because PayPal may block unusual locations. Confirm your internet connection is stable by loading another secure website. Click Login and carefully retype your email address without extra spaces. Retype your password slowly and make sure caps lock is off on your keyboard. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and choose Email or SMS Recovery. Open the recovery message and follow the link immediately because codes can expire fast. Create a new strong password that you do not use on other websites. Try logging in again, and if you see a security check, complete it exactly as asked. If PayPal requests verification, go to Settings and open Account or Profile Details. Confirm your primary email and click Confirm if it shows unverified. Check your email inbox and spam folder for the confirmation message from PayPal. Verify your phone number by adding it and entering the SMS code accurately. If ID verification is required, prepare a clear photo of your government ID. Upload the ID in good light, with all corners visible, and no glare or blur. If PayPal asks for address proof, upload a recent utility bill or bank statement. Make sure the name and address match your PayPal profile exactly. If you cannot pass verification, update profile details to match your documents first. When the account is locked, stop repeated login attempts to avoid a longer lock. Wait the on-screen time shown, then try again only once with the correct password. If you suspect someone else tried to access your account, change your password immediately. Enable two-factor authentication in security settings for stronger protection. Clear your browser cache and cookies, or try an incognito window to remove old sessions. Try a different browser or update the PayPal app to the latest version. Check your email for any PayPal notices about limitations or unusual activity reviews. If you still cannot log in, contact PayPal support through the Help section and choose Password and Account Access. Provide the exact error message, your registered email, and the steps you already tried to speed up support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.